The year 2024 was the hottest year ever recorded. This is a stark warning sign. Our planet is heating up at an alarming rate. The primary culprit is the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat and cause global temperatures to rise. Carbon dioxide, or CO2, is a major greenhouse gas. In 2024, atmospheric CO2 reached a record high. It was 421.73 parts per million. This is significantly higher than pre-industrial levels. The burning of fossil fuels is a major contributor to CO2 emissions. The consequences of climate change are far-reaching. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense. Heat waves, droughts, floods, and wildfires are impacting communities worldwide. These events cause widespread damage, displacement, and loss of life. Sea levels are rising at an alarming rate. This is due to the melting of glaciers and ice sheets. Coastal communities face an existential threat from rising sea levels. They are vulnerable to flooding and erosion. The time to act is now. We must address climate change urgently. Deforestation is a significant contributor to climate change. It accounts for a staggering 20% of human-caused greenhouse gas emissions. This surpasses the emissions from all the cars in the world combined. Forests play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. Trees absorb CO2 from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. They store this carbon in their wood, leaves, and roots. When forests are cleared or burned, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere. This contributes to the greenhouse effect. Tropical forests are particularly important carbon sinks. They store vast amounts of carbon. However, these forests are being cleared at an alarming rate. This is driven by agriculture, logging, and mining activities. The destruction of forests has devastating consequences for both people and the planet. It exacerbates climate change, reduces biodiversity, and disrupts vital ecosystems. Protecting existing forests and restoring degraded ones is crucial in the fight against climate change. Nature offers powerful solutions to combat climate change. Nature-based solutions involve protecting, restoring, and sustainably managing ecosystems. These solutions can help mitigate climate change and adapt to its impacts. Forests, for example, act as natural carbon sinks. They absorb and store vast amounts of CO2. Protecting existing forests and restoring degraded ones is essential. This can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Mangroves are another example of a powerful, nature-based solution. These coastal ecosystems store even more carbon per unit area than forests. They also provide numerous other benefits. These include coastal protection from storms and erosion, habitat for marine life, and livelihoods for local communities. Investing in nature-based solutions makes both environmental and economic sense. These solutions are often more cost-effective than traditional infrastructure projects. They also provide multiple co-benefits. These include biodiversity conservation, improved water quality, and enhanced resilience to climate change. The urgency of the climate crisis demands immediate and collective action. The Paris Agreement, adopted in 2015, is a landmark international agreement. It aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius. This is above pre-industrial levels. The agreement emphasizes the role of nature in combating climate change. It recognizes the importance of protecting and restoring forests and other ecosystems. It also highlights the need to finance nature-based solutions. Individuals, businesses, and governments all have a role to play. We must transition away from fossil fuels and embrace renewable energy sources. We must invest in sustainable transportation, promote energy efficiency, and adopt sustainable land management practices. The future of our planet depends on our actions today. By taking bold and decisive action, we can mitigate climate change, protect our planet, and create a sustainable future for all.